Soils of India. Plants grow in soil. Animals depend on plants for their food. Thus, all living things on the earth, including us, depend on the soil for our food. We also depend on the soil for many other things. Most people in India depend on agriculture for their livelihood. So, soil is very important to us. It is our wealth that nature has given us. It is one of our most important natural resources. Rocks on the earth keep breaking down into small pebbles because of rain, flowing water, roots of plants, etc. These pebbles break down further to form tiny pieces of soil. Wind, rain and floods carry the soil to different places. Remains of dead plants and animals mix with the soil to make it fertile. It takes more than 100 years for nature to make a layer of soil just 1 centimeter thick. There are 6 main types of soil found in different regions of India. These different types of soils are suitable for growing different types of crops. That is why such a large variety of crops are grown in India. Alluvial soil. The rivers of the northern plains bring with them large quantities of silt. This gets deposited on the land around the rivers. This soil is very fertile and is called alluvial soil. It makes the northern plains one of the most fertile regions of the world. Alluvial soil is also found in the deltas formed by the rivers of the Deccan Plateau. Alluvial soil is especially good for rice, wheat, sugarcane, pulses, oil seeds, and jute. Black soil. This type of soil is found in the central and the northwestern parts of the southern plateau. Most of Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh and parts of Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Karnataka and Rajasthan have this soil. Black soil is formed from the lava given out by volcanoes. It is very good for growing cotton and sugarcane. Red soil. The rest of the southern plateau contains soil that is red in color. It is not as fertile as black soil, but can be made fertile by adding manure. It is good for crops such as jowar, bajra and groundnut. Laterite soil. This type of soil is found in Western Ghats and in parts of Tamil Nadu. It is also red in color. It is good for crops such as tea, coffee, spices, coconut and rubber. Desert soil. Desert soil contains mostly sand. It is found mainly in Rajasthan and Gujarat. Sandy soil cannot hold much water. It is therefore not fertile. Mountain soil. This soil is very rich in remains of dead plants and animals called humus. This makes the soil very fertile. It is found in the Himalayan region and in northeastern parts of India. This soil is very good for growing fruits such as apples, pears, peaches, plums, etc. Farmers also grow crops such as rice by cutting steps in the hills. This is known as terrace or step farming. Soil erosion. Sometimes soil is carried away by wind and water to a different place. This is called soil erosion. It makes the land infertile. Roots of plants bind the soil together and prevent erosion. People have cut trees for fuel and to build farmlands, cities and roads. Because of this, soil erosion has increased. Planting trees or afforestation is the most important method of preventing soil erosion. Covering bare farmland with grass or dried vegetation, terrace farming in hills, and building embankments along river banks are some other methods.